Have you seen those viral AI dancing influencers on social media and wondered if you could actually create them for free? Today, the answer is yes. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to build ultra-real AI influencers, turn them into dancing videos, and do it without paying a cent. Watch till the end and don't skip any part, because I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. AI influencers are no longer just for big brands or agencies. With the right tools, anyone can now create realistic virtual models that look human, move naturally, and go viral on social platforms, even if you have zero technical background. Today, I'll show you how to generate ultra-real AI influencers, how to keep character consistency, and how to animate them into dancing, moving videos using AI. If you enjoy practical AI tutorials that actually save you money, tap the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and lets me bring you even better tools. To make this possible, we're using HiggsField, which is sponsoring today's video. HiggsField gives you access to multiple industry-level AI models, including Kling Motion Control, Kling 2.6, Kling 01 Image, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, Seedance 1.5, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, VO 3.1, WAN 2.2 Image, and more. HiggsField offers 4 plans. The Pro plan starts at $29 per month and gives you unlimited access to top image generation models for up to 365 days, along with other perks. There are also basic, ultimate, and creator plans, which are perfect if you want to scale in the future. If you're serious about creating AI influencers or monetizing AI content, check out HiggsField through the first link in the description, especially while the massive discount is live. Now, let's jump into the process. Click the first link in the description. That takes you to HiggsField's homepage. Sign up using Google. It's free and takes less than 30 seconds. Once inside, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the homepage, click Create Your Viral AI Influencer. You'll enter the AI Influencer Studio. This is where the real magic happens. Here's what you get for free: 15 image generations and 10 video generations. If you need more later, you can upgrade anytime for unlimited generations. If this already sounds powerful, make sure you're subscribed, because what's coming next is where most people get stuck, and I'll make it simple. You can either use pre-made templates or use a custom prompt for faster, professional results. Since HiggsField supports strong character consistency, I'll use my custom professional prompt. I click Prompt, open my prompt document, which you can get access to via the second link below, copy and paste my character prompt, hit Generate, and wait. Amazing! Our main AI influencer is ready. This becomes our anchor character for all future scenes. Now let's create her in different outfits while keeping her identity consistent. For the first variation, I generate her wearing a cropped shearling jacket layered over a modern, form-fitting gown. Here is my prompt. Same slightly dark-skinned female influencer as the reference image, identical facial structure, skin tone, body proportions, posture, and natural presence. Body shape is naturally attractive, well-formed, balanced, not oversized, not exaggerated, matching the reference exactly. Realistic skin texture, pores, micro details, and natural light interaction. Closely cropped natural hair. Minimal professional makeup, full body visible from head to shoes. No AI artifacts. Ultra-realistic full-body fashion photograph of the same female influencer wearing a cropped shearling jacket layered over a sexy, modern, form-fitting female gown. The jacket has a realistic shearling texture with natural softness and thickness, cropped just above the waist. The gown flows elegantly beneath, hugging the body naturally without exaggeration. She stands confidently, slightly angled toward the camera, shoulders relaxed, hands gently positioned to enhance elegance. The expression is calm, confident, and editorial. The environment is a warm, cozy luxury interior with neutral beige and soft cream tones, minimalistic and uncluttered. No objects, no furniture in focus, only soft walls and subtle tonal gradients. Lighting is warm and flattering, simulating natural indoor daylight with soft shadows and gentle highlights. Shot on Blackmagic Ursa Cine 17K camera, 45mm lens behavior, shallow depth of field, soft cinematic bokeh, natural contrast, realistic color science, editorial fashion realism, no distortion, no over-sharpening, generate, and look at that realism. The details here are incredible. Realistic skin texture, natural lighting, professional fashion photography quality. For the second look, I generate her in a brown relaxed fit jacket paired with modern destroyed jeans and stylish boots. Here is my prompt: ultra-realistic full-body street fashion photograph of the same female influencer wearing a brown relaxed fit motion jacket, styled casually over a top, paired with modern 90s inspired destroyed female jeans. The denim shows realistic distressing, frayed edges, and authentic fabric folds. Footwear is a pair of brown Pammy female boots with natural leather texture and solid sole structure. Pose is relaxed and confident. Slight hip shift, one leg subtly forward, hands naturally interacting with the jacket. The expression is cool, effortless, and modern. The environment is a minimal urban lifestyle space with neutral concrete-inspired tones and soft daylight. Clean walls, no clutter, no props. Feels modern and editorial, not busy. Captured with Blackmagic Ursa Cine 17K, 35mm lens behavior for mild perspective depth, shallow depth of field, realistic bokeh, true-to-life skin tones, no harsh contrast, no AI artifacts. Same dark-skinned female influencer as the reference image, identical facial structure, skin tone, body proportions, posture, and natural presence. Body shape is naturally attractive, well-formed, balanced, not oversized, not exaggerated, matching the reference exactly. Realistic skin texture, pores, micro details, and natural light interaction. Closely cropped natural hair, minimal professional makeup, full body visible from head to shoes, no AI artifacts. Paste and hit, generate. The pose is relaxed, confident, and completely natural. This gives us a casual lifestyle look while keeping her identity perfectly consistent. Here is our third prompt: ultra-realistic full-body lifestyle photograph of the same female influencer wearing a light red ionic fleeced relaxed hoodie with matching fleece trousers. Fabric appears soft, thick, and comfortable with realistic fleece texture and natural folds. Footwear is a pair of modern Super Slam Blaze sneakers, clean, sporty, and well-defined. Pose is casual and relaxed, slight lean or soft walking stance, conveying comfort and everyday confidence. Expression is warm, approachable, and natural. The environment is a cozy, modern lounge-style room. Neutral tones with soft, natural daylight filling the space. No visible furniture or objects. Only clean walls and subtle gradients to maintain focus on the outfit. Paste and hit, generate, and here she comes. Just look at the details. Repeat the same process to generate all the scenes. At this point, we have multiple professional images of the same AI influencer, just like a real photo shoot. If this is helping you already, don't forget to subscribe. Most people watching aren't, and that's how I keep these tutorials coming. Now it's time to bring her to life. To animate the images, simply click the camera icon beneath the image canvas labeled free, and you'll enter the animation interface. HiggsField gives access to a large library of motion presets designed to make animation fast and realistic. I select a motion sample video, change scene control from image to video, set the quality to 1080 pixels, and click Generate. Here, we're using the Kling Motion Control model to handle this process. Repeat the same process and experiment with different sample videos for all your scenes. And just like that, our static AI influencer becomes a moving, dancing virtual model. No extra prompts, no complexity. The motion is replicated perfectly. Now I repeat the same process for the second image. And look at that result. This is the kind of realism brands pay thousands of dollars for. If you want unlimited generations and access to all Kling models, HiggsField is currently offering up to 85% off, making professional AI creation extremely affordable. With this promotion, you get access to all Kling models plus Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, and multiple premium tools for up to 365 days with a single subscription. That's a full AI creator studio for the price of a coffee per week. Now, imagine this. If you can create dancing AI influencers for free today, what will content creation look like 1 year from now? Will you be watching it happen, or will you be leading it? If you want to stay ahead of trends instead of chasing them, subscribe now. Future videos will take this even further.